Ever wish your child's playtime could spark real learning? Imagine turning a simple slime recipe into a mini science lab. Hello and welcome. Today we're exploring fun learning activities for kids of every age. Many families struggle to fit enriching play into busy schedules. The great news? It doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Babies love sensory baskets. Toddlers thrive with water play. Older kids go wild for DIY projects. By mixing hands-on fun with reading or math, kids naturally build crucial skills. Open-ended play lets them explore without limits. It boosts imagination and confidence. Parents and educators can team up by sharing ideas and feedback. Try quick wins like a 5-minute flashcard game or a recycled craft. They work wonders. When children see learning as fun, they stay curious and engaged. Ready for more easy ideas and tips? Head over to our blog at https://curiokidscentral.com. Wants fun, learning activities for every age. Dive in, get creative, and let the learning adventures begin.